Hey guys, how's it going? It is me, Caesar here, and today I'm gonna show you how to transfer files from from a electronic device to your Xbox One. So without using PC or USB or nothing, just using your mobile. So to, so I'm gonna be showing you how to actually send files from your phone to your Xbox. So here we go. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is to go to OneDrive. It should be around here somewhere. Um, Sorry, I have a lot of apps. I think it's not here anywhere. But here it is. So next, so so here's OneDrive. I already uploaded 5 music, and I don't even know how I upload the other pictures. But anyways, so there are two ways you can actually upload this. One, you can upload directly from the OneDrive, but the other method is by going through a file manager or like a app that could like unzip like RAR here. And yeah, so like let's just say we want to upload one of these, like any of these. So I press the check mark, and then I press send. It's gonna give me options here. The option you want is OneDrive. Press OneDrive, and then it's gonna send you to OneDrive. So then you're gonna want to pick a file. You want to pick where you want to send your file. Of course, I want to send mine to music. Press the check mark, and then it's going to send the file. So right now it's sending it right now, but and I'll show you through my camera. I'll be right back. Here, here's my Xbox right now, and I'm gonna go to OneDrive. The volume's very low, so I can't screencast through my Xbox, so that's why. So I'm gonna go to my games and apps again. Now in here there should be a OneDrive. Here it is. So this is the app download in your Xbox, and then press it. It's gonna take you to OneDrive, and then once that's done, once you finally upload your file, it should show in your Xbox OneDrive. So right now it's loading, so I'm going to need to wait. Just a friend. Okay, there you go. So now it should show you the file that you've uploaded. It's refreshing because I already added a new music. So there it is. So we're gonna go here. And there you go. Press start right here. And this was the one that I barely what's called? Oh yeah. This is the one that I barely uploaded. So there you go. So then, but before I actually go, I'm just gonna give you guys a little check on the music. So we're gonna go to Groove Music, and it should say that it's gonna add a song. There you go, adding music, 2 songs. So there it is, and then We're gonna go here, and there you have it. So that's it for my tutorial on how to send songs without using USB or PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give a like to the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.